Yeah. Yeah. Peace out, son. Good morning. How are you? Good. Welcome. Welcome to the jungle. Morning, boss. How are you doing today, Aaron? Good, man.
Yeah, morning.
Morning. So just woke up here. Yesterday was amazing. Give it a load on soon enough, but we're going to head off into the countryside today. Getting picked up in half an hour, just having breakfast. Saving. Oh.
You want coffee as well, take it?
I'll get an African coffee. Would I be able to order African coffee? I can pay for it, it doesn't matter. Oh, the African tea.
The African tea?
Yeah.
Like during breakfast time, it's fine. It's not paid for.
Okay. Brilliant.
Need that?
I would love that. It's so good. Thank you. Cheers.
Oh my days.
Good?
Passion fruit.
Oh. Yes.
Oh my god. That's pure, freshly squeezed passion fruit.
Unbelievable, absolutely unbelievably.
Holy moly. That's like pure, fresh squeezed passion.
What about
Yes.
To the cash changing?
We're almost there.
Oh, okay.
Pickford's been a very bold boy, eh?
He brought those old bills older than 2009. They don't take anything earlier than 2009,
Mate,
and
that's
Pickford brought the 206s.
206 $100 bills. All about that business.
4x paying off too well. That.
4X. Oh well, at least we're sorted some.
We're on the road now, lad. Hey?
Yeah, what's happening, eh?
Yeah, we're on the road. We're going to be on the road for 8 hours today, heading to the Queen Elizabeth National Park. Just in Kampala at the moment, and we're going to be having a couple stops along the way, and we're in the good old wagon, lad.
Ye old faithful.
Yeah.
You gotta be able to take over a line with insides, take it over with throw-ups, top to bottoms. You gotta do everything, you know. If you specialize in one thing, you know, you really can't call yourself an all-out king.
Yeah. Bronsolino, outdoorsman shit. Hit 'em, lace up your Timbs, Queens, fresh off the black top. Off-Broadway recital, fees on the back block. Back alley Bronson, always cooking up a mad plot. The shit that have us laid in Benzes with a glass top. Hash pot, sticking out the dash spot. I leave a bitch in the vacant and let his ass rot. 174 an Autobahn is where the cash drop. Then take the paper, then distribute to the have-nots. I'm on the scene, 26 and I'm a man child. Long machete, hopping out the van style. Whether fighting or graffiti, got them hand stabs. I wipe the floor up with your face like a sham wow. Hands down, one motherfucker, 260 combined. Here to bring the ruckus, the baseline plus the words raise the crime rate. Bronsolini, show him how to hold the 9 straight. Yo, get off the next man's PP. Yo, be original, kid, get off the PP. Get off the shaft of my dick, get off the PP. Yo, be original, kid, get off the PP. The trucks are rolled up, the money fold up.
What's crapping, my son?
Big body like an old truck. With they want slice stitches like the cold cuts. Been at the bottom of the sea, but then I rose up. Feet first, my voice is known to
Pistol hit my arm doing that, lad.
So this is what's this bar called again?
Terrace bar, I think.
The Terrace Bar. And look at this view. Holy, as Jock Campbell would say.
So we've just arrived here to the Parkview Lodge at the Queen Elizabeth National Park. That's just in front of us here. We've seen elephants already walking through the bush, and we're about to have our sundowner. Cheers.
Drugs are rolled up, money fold up. I love my bitch's big body like an old
Buffalo.
truck. With the like the cold cuts. Been at the bottom of the sea, but then I rose up. Feet first, my voice is known to curl the honey toes. Serve a powder that'll leave him with a bloody nose. Smoke the hash, take it from just like it's Putty Homes. Hop in the caddy, leave your body by a muddy road. A dirty, rotten scoundrel like Steve Martin. Drugs so good, feed weekly, just 3-star them. I'm on the road, blow trees through East Harlem. Just put me in a cage in the basement, I'm retarded. German shit, twist, burn the bliss. I love it when the pussy tighter than a tourniquet. Captain Chicken started cooking it, converted it. Dutch leaf, third of it, rolled it up, murder it. Yeah, get off the next man's pee-pee. Yo, be original kid, get off my pee-pee. Get off the shaft of my dick, get off my pee-pee. Get off my blood.
Pickford and I have just finished a beautiful meal. Talking about tomorrow. The hell is that, man?
Yo, that's another one of those fellas.
Jesus, do you see this shit?
Dung beetle tucker.
Hell.
Yeah, we've got a... Yo.
Size that, man.
Can your camera pick that up?
What?
I'll get my camera up on it.
Alright, so
Yeah, we've got a huge day of safaris tomorrow. We're going to be seeing hippos, potentially leopards, lions.
Pickford, hold on 1 second, mate.
What else have we got on? Oh, Howzit.
There it is.
Welcome. Yeah, so we've got a huge day of safaris tomorrow. We're going to be seeing hippos, crocodiles, leopard, potentially. 50-50 chance, I'm told about that. But 70% chance of seeing lions, which would be really, really cool. And then also Cape buffalo, which are part of the big 5. So there's only 4 of the big 5 to see here in Uganda, with the rhino being out of action due to poaching. But we're super excited, and it should be a fucking awesome day. Sorry for swearing.
No worries. Ciao. Ciao.